Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the health benefits of grapes. Grapes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has been enjoyed by people for centuries. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they have been linked to a number of health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits of grapes. Heart health. Grapes contain antioxidants that can help protect your heart from damage. They may also help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Cancer prevention. Grapes contain antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. They may also help lower your risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon cancer and prostate cancer, such as colon cancer. Eye health. Grapes contain antioxidants that can help protect your eyes from damage. They may also help lower your risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Brain health. Grapes contain antioxidants that can help protect your brain from damage. They may also help improve your memory and cognitive function. Immunity. Grapes contain vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for the immune system. Vitamin C helps your body fight off infection. Weight loss. Grapes are a low-calorie fruit that can help you feel full. They are also a good source of fiber, which can help you lose weight and keep it off. How to eat grapes. Grapes are a delicious and versatile fruit that can be eaten in a variety of ways. They can be eaten fresh, frozen, or dried. They can also be used in recipes such as salads, desserts, and smoothies. Grapes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has a number of health benefits. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they can help improve your heart health, cancer prevention, eye health, brain health, immunity, and weight loss. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of grapes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on health and wellness.